Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to customize email templates in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, I'm going to show you the basic customization from the WooCommerce admin, and that requires no coding. Okay, so WooCommerce lets you edit some aspects of your transactional emails right from the dashboard. So what I want you to do is to go with left hand menu and hover on the WooCommerce option, and then just go ahead and click on the settings on the pop-up menu. Okay, and right now I do really want you to go and click on the emails section. And here you will see a list of emails types. Okay, so like new order, order completed, failed order, cancelled order, refunded order, processing order, etc. So I do want you to go ahead and click on manage option next to the email you want to customize. So for example, we'll go with that one. So here you can set the subject line, you can go set the heading or the email heading, you can add contents like thank you message or links. You can also set the email type like HTML, plain text, multi-parts, etc. And this method is best for simple text and header changes or adding short content blocks in your emails. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.